Here are the instructions to complete page 2 of the handout 3.9. We'll continue on with significant figures. You can refer to your notes, but you can also take a look at these rules as well. Here it shows when multiplying. It also shows when adding or subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So you can refer to those rules. I want to go over a couple of these and show you how I would like you to do them. We're going to look at example number 1 right here. And for this, you're going to need your calculator, and I want to show you how to do this process. So on your calculator, I'm not expecting you to multiply this on paper. So just plug in the number 1.35 times 2.467. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to write the entire number right here. 3.33045. Then what I'd like you to do is to show me that you know significant figures by showing how many significant figures do I have here. I have 3 here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 for here. So using the rule for multiplying and dividing, I need to have 3 digits. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to need to use this digit to either round up or round down. Okay, and so 0 is going to round down, so my answer is going to be 3.33. Okay, and indicate that you used 3 significant figures for this. Okay, this one's a division. You guys can do this one. Here's an addition problem right here. And slightly different rules for addition and subtraction. So I'm going to do 12.01 plus 35.2 plus 6. My answer comes out to be 53.21. 53.21. Now for this, you just need to go to the least precise. We're not counting the number of digits because we're adding and subtracting. This one goes to the hundredths. This one goes to the tenths. This one goes to the ones. So I'd like you to indicate you're looking at the ones place over here, meaning that we're looking at this number. We either have to round up, we have to round down, and we're going to round down, so this would become 53. So that's how you'll do your addition, subtraction, and that's how you'll do your multiplication and division. Just be careful, some of these are division here, this is division here, and this is division down there. When you finish that page, there is a practice for all of the things, and you want to indicate the number of significant figures in each of these cases. You're going to be using the rules for addition and subtraction, and the rules for multiplication and division down below here. So, how many significant figures are in each of these? You're just going to indicate how many that there are. Following the rules, I have 2 non-zero numbers, so I know I have at least 2. Are these significant or are they not significant? The rules indicate numbers or zeros after a number that are before decimal are not significant. That is not significant. That is not significant. So how many significant figures? I have 2. You'll follow the same rules that we went over, and you indicate the numbers right there. For this, you're going to do what we just did on the previous one, where we're adding and subtracting. So you have your calculator. 60 plus 83.2 equals 143.2. So I want you to write your answer, 143.2. Then you have to follow those rules. I'm adding, okay? I'm not counting 1 digit here and 3 digits here. I'm looking at my place values. This is to the tenths, this is to the ones. I have to go to the ones place. So I have to go to the ones place here, and then you're either going to round up or round down, and we'll round down. My answer is 143. Multiplication and division. Okay, so over here it says we need to find the correct number of significant figures to write the correct answer after that. So for this, it's going to be 0.23 times 3.48, and they'll give me with 8,004. 0.8004, like this. So I have 2 digits here, 3 digits here. The lesser of my significant digits is going to be 2. So it's 1, 2. And I'm going to use the 0 to either round up or round down, and this would round to 0.80. So those are rules to complete the rest of your handout.